In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wiki Markup in Confluence safely. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place Wiki Markup into a page, verify that it looks right, and publish confidently without breaking your layout. First, open the Confluence page you want to edit. Make sure it's the correct page in the correct space, especially if your team uses similar templates across projects. If the page is important or heavily used, it's a good idea to have it open in a second tab so you can compare before and after as you work. Next, click Edit. This opens the page in the editor so you can make changes. If your Confluence shows different editing options, choose the standard visual editor. Give the page a moment to load fully so all macros and existing formatting initialize properly before you type. Place your cursor exactly where the wiki markup should go. Think about the structure of your page. Are you adding a new section, enhancing an existing table, or inserting a block within a macro? Put the cursor on a clean line to avoid colliding with nearby formatting. If you're inserting in the middle of content, add a quick blank line above and below to create a safe buffer while you work. Depending on your Confluence version, you can use the visual editor directly or insert a markup supported macro. Many instances include a markup or wiki markup macro that lets you paste and render classic wiki syntax inside a modern page. If that macro is available, insert it and position it where you want the markup to render. If not, the visual editor may still interpret certain wiki patterns, but it's best to rely on supported methods in your environment. Now, enter the wiki markup carefully. Accuracy matters here. Pay attention to brackets, pipes, and special characters, especially for links and tables. If you're pasting from another source, paste as plain text to avoid hidden formatting. Keep your markup tidy and readable so it's easy to update later, and avoid mixing conflicting styles in the same section. Before you publish, preview the page to check the formatting. Use the preview function to see how the markup renders in context with the rest of the page. Scan for spacing issues, broken links, or tables that don't align the way you expect. If your site offers different display modes, glance at them to ensure nothing collapses in narrower layouts. When everything looks correct, publish the page. Add a concise change note if prompted so teammates understand what changed. After publishing, do a final visual pass on the live page. If anything's off, jump back into edit, adjust the markup, preview again, and republish. That's it. Clean, confident wiki markup in Confluence.